Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2023 Ford Bronco Sport in a Big Bend trim and powered by a 1.5-liter EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power and fuel efficiency with four-wheel drive capability, so you're going to be able to get around pretty well. But let's take a look inside. Looking into the back, we have a spacious cargo area that can always be expanded by folding down the rear seats. You have these tie-down points with lassos on either side, a 12-volt power outlet, the button for your cargo lights that can be articulated to shine where you need them on either corner. And then you have this rugged cargo floor, underneath of which you have your spare with some extra room for other equipment. Then looking into the back seat, where you have comfortable seating for three with fold-out armrests and two cup holders, as well as having two USB-Cs down there. And the backs of the seats do have MOLLE rigging that you can hook equipment onto. And this vehicle has a remote start, so no need to go outside to warm up your SUV. Looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a fully power adjustable driver's seat. Now sitting in the vehicle where they're running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your controls for your center info screen here, where you can cycle through your trip information, your My View, driver assistance features and settings, your Now Playing, phone controls, and further information about your vehicle. Moving on to the left, you have your cruise controls, as well as your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom, and your lane keeping system on the end of your signal stock. Moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable. You have your Bluetooth phone controls, whatever apps you may have installed, and settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. Shifting into reverse, you have a backup camera so you can see where you're going. Moving down, you have your media controls, hazards, and auto start stop shut off. You have this little tray and your climate controls with heated front seats so you can stay warm. Below that, you have this cubby area with a USB, USB-C, 12-volt power outlet, so you can plug something in from there. Then you've got your main shifter on a dial, very convenient. Parking brake, brake hold, two cup holders, and your GOAT mode selector or drive mode selector for normal, eco, sport, slippery, and sand, so you can customize your driving experience a bit there. And then last but not least, you have your center compartment / armrest with a decent amount of room in there and two more USB-Cs. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111 and have a nice day.